In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall Revit completely from your computer. First of all, you need to open the Start menu and go to your Control Panel. Just write Control Panel in the search and open it. After that, you need to find Programs and go to the Uninstall a program. Right here, you need to search for Revit and also for Autodesk. So as you can see, right here is Autodesk Revit 2027. So we need to right click on it and click on Uninstall button. And it will prepare for the installation. Then click on Uninstall and wait a few seconds to a few minutes. Then we need to uninstall the Autodesk GNU series. Right here, click on Uninstall and click OK. And also we need to uninstall Autodesk Access right here. Again, we need to wait a few minutes. And also you need to scroll down until you will see Personal Accelerator for Revit. You also need to uninstall this file from here. And that's all, guys. We successfully uninstalled Revit from our device. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.